Hello, my name's Steve. I'm 48 and I live in the UK in Herefordshire, and I'm here to talk to you about this fantastic cordless Ryobi ONE HP Brushless compound mitre saw, which I think you will agree is fantastic. The first feature, when you get it out of the box, you get these sort of bed extension arms. Here you've got your hold down clamp. It works with friction, so obviously you put your work on, turn the knob, and it's got it nice and tight. It does fit on both sides of the saw. That's that side as well. Over here you've got the Allen key, which has got a Phillips end on the other end, which is held in place there. That's for changing the blade, removing any of the bolts, adjusting anything. Basically it's a nice handy tool just to have right there. We've got a little extendable fence here, we could use that for supporting or giving a little bit of extra support to the work. Up here, right there, that's the lock for the sliding arm. So if you were to just spin that, then it sets the sliding arm free. We've got obviously the carry handle. It's 14 kilos, so it's not massively heavy. However, I'm gonna either have to invest in, obviously you've got the blade guard. You can move it by hand, but I wouldn't advise it. The battery isn't in at the moment, so I'm perfectly safe. However, as you can see, it does operate when the saw is operating. If you can see these two lines down here, either side, they're basically just a reminder that your hands shouldn't be going past those lines. So on this side of the saw, obviously we've got the brushless motor. Here is the pin which locks the blade arm down. Nice little feature, especially when you're carrying it around. This little device here is for trench cuts, if you want to call them, depth cuts. So basically you can choose the depth that you want to go to. Okay, so the other feature is there's a switch on the top here. It's to operate the LED. Having watched a couple of videos and things like that, I've now realised that, say you've got a piece of work in the saw, and when you come down, the shadow caused by the light gives you the line where the cut's going to be. At the back here you've got the bevel locking knob. If you turn it a quarter of a turn, then you've got your bevel. To operate the saw is a small trigger in there, and then pull that trigger and that releases the lock. Otherwise you can't pull the trigger. It also has a hole in the trigger there, which could fit like a padlock or something like that too, should you want to leave it unsupervised and the kids are hanging around or something like that. That's just a little bit of extra safety. It's spinning the saw around at the front. As you can see here, you've got the locking knob for once you've set your angle, you can lock it in place. However, it does have indents for every mitre. On the underside there is a second lever, which means it doesn't catch on any of the predetermined angles, but with it press the lever it clicks back into place. Then you would screw it in and that's got that locked. Just up here is the button to lock the blade, so you could change the blade. The bevel capacity is 45 degrees. The blade diameter is 254mm with a bore size of 30mm. The maximum cutting capacity, 45 degree mitre with a 45 degree bevel, is 225mm by 42mm. Lovely jubbly. Nice 45-degree cut there. After using it, checking out its cuts and whatnot, I have to say that the Ryobi ONE 18V mitre saw is as good, if not better, than my corded mitre saw. The cuts are certainly cleaner considering it's a stock blade. It's very light, and yeah, very happy with it. Absolutely would recommend it. I haven't had any issues with any parts on it. There's no binding. It's just a brilliant machine. Thank you.